The COVID-19 pandemic isn't done with us yet. BC's top doctor is predicting another spike in cases in the fall. She's also revealing just how many health professionals are still not vaccinated. But finding out about your own healthcare provider is another story. And as CTV's Binder Sugden reports, there are more than 1 million British Columbians not getting their booster.
Pushing back against COVID-19 spread is made easier by vaccines.
I cannot imagine where we would be if we had not stepped up across this province to thank everyone who did their bit by getting vaccinated.
Overall, the number of health professionals who've had the shot is 94%. At the high end, physicians and surgeons, dietitians, as well as occupational therapists. Bottom of the list and lower than the average for the general population, naturopaths, chiropractors, and those practicing traditional Chinese medicine and acupuncturists.
You know, some people have been reluctant or slow to respond to the college's need for this information, so it is probably an underestimate. As well, we know that some regulated health professionals have views about the vaccination.
Data from the College of Nurses and Midwives not yet available. The challenge in letting patients know who has their 2 doses or not, privacy.
There is ethical principles around protection of privacy that are very, very important. And there's principles around patient safety that trump everything.
At this time, the onus is on individuals to figure out their comfort level. With more interactions, hospitalizations rose in recent weeks. Dr. Bonnie Henry says they're now leveling off.
I think we're going to be in a period of relative ease for the next little while, but we all have to pay attention to what might happen in the fall.
Still, she cautions long COVID remains an issue, including for kids. Once again, Dr. Henry's advice, get your vaccine. More than 1 million people have booster shot invites they haven't made good on. Binder Sugden, CTV News, Victoria.